we built a chicken coop, but we didn't realize that when we were building it at my husband's shop that we wouldn't be able to get it in our gate at home. We've thought of somehow just bringing it over the fence, or slightly taking it apart. But for the meantime, we're just gonna deal with these overgrown chicks running amok. Oh, don't put your shadow on it. Using light and shadows to make that print on there. Go ahead, Peanut.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
So you can, take those little pieces off and you can just leave them there. Wow, Peanut.
Wow, it's all set up. Okay.
Yeah, so turn the water on. And just, yep.
White.
So you keep rinsing it for about 1 minute, so I'll tell you when to stop.
White. Hey, Essie, come on.
Smokey, go back to your bin, Smokey.
Obi, leave him. I'm gonna.
Cool, Judah.
Whoa, Judah. Whoa. Oh, it has to be everything. Good, nice.
Good job getting it nice and flat.
Take the little stuff off, and you'll see the fruit.
Yeah.
A flower. Oh yeah, the flower's sticking.
Obi, that is so cool. So go ahead and rinse it.
And then it will turn white. I can see. For us, yeah, the blush. It's white. It's white. See
Oh, there it goes. Turning white.
Guys, come look at me and Mom. Someone needs to go right here. Esther's will go here.
That turned
Obi,
out so
we don't want the moms.